Moving to the next question. This is again of CAT 2017. So we'll finish CAT questions first and then we'll move to mock questions. So Ravi invests 50% of his monthly savings in FD. So straightly assume that Ravi's monthly savings is 100x assumption. Okay. 30% of the rest of his savings. Note this word, rest of his savings. So 50% of his monthly savings is in FD. FD में this 50x. Then stocks, he has 30% of the rest of his savings. So if he has 50x in FD, total is 100x, rest is 50x. Rest is 50x. Now 30% of these is in stocks. 30% of 50x would be 15x. And the rest goes into savings bank account. Savings bank. Rest would be 100 minus 50 minus 15. 35x. Okay. So if the total amount deposited by him in the bank for savings account and FD. So both FD and savings bank account are in the bank. So 50 plus 35, 85x is in the bank. So this is 85x is 59500. Then what is the total monthly savings in rupees? So what is the total monthly savings? We have to calculate 100x, not x, right? So 85x is 59500. So x would be 59500 by 85. Now you'll say how do I calculate it? Do I calculate it by mind, writing, or calculator? You will obviously have a calculator there, so you don't need to worry about it, right? So x would be 700. Just do it by calculator. Don't use your mind so much because it will you'll tend to make silly mistakes if you use your mind doing simple calculations, right? So what is his monthly savings? 100 into 700, which should be 70,000. So this is his monthly savings.